In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automatic Twitter, now called X, feed on Discord, and auto post tweets to your server. To get started, open Discord and decide which bot or automation tool you want to use for this setup. There are several popular options that support X feeds, including Monitor SS, TweetShift, Zapier, IFTTT, and Make. The best choice depends on how simple or advanced you want the setup to be. So pick the one that fits your needs. Once you've chosen your tool, go to its official website and invite the bot to your Discord server. Usually, you'll click something like invite or add to Discord, sign in to your Discord account, choose the server where you want the tweets to appear, and then authorize the requested permissions. Keep in mind that you need the manage server permission in Discord to add bots, so make sure you have that access before continuing. After the bot is added, create a dedicated text channel for tweet updates. This helps keep your server organized and makes it easier for members to find new posts. You can name the channel something clear, like Twitter feed or X updates, and then adjust the channel permissions however you want. Next, open the bot's dashboard or setup page and connect your X account if the service requires it. Some bots can follow public accounts without needing you to sign in, while others will ask you to authorize access. Follow the prompts carefully so the bot can monitor the feed correctly. From there, enter the username of the X account you want to follow. Then choose the Discord text channel where the post should be sent. This is the core connection, so double check both the X account and the Discord channel before moving on. Depending on the bot you're using, you may also be able to customize how the feed works. For example, you might turn embedded previews on or off, choose whether to include mentions, allow retweets or reposts, include replies, display media attachments, or adjust how often the bot checks for new posts. These settings can make a big difference, so take a moment to tailor them to your server. When everything looks good, save or enable the automation. Then test the integration by posting from the selected X account or by waiting for the next post and confirm that it shows up in your Discord channel automatically. After setup, monitor the feed from time to time to make sure it keeps working. If posts stop appearing, reconnect the bot or review its permissions. Also check that the bot can view the channel and send messages, confirm the correct X username is entered, and see whether the bot service is having downtime. Finally, review the integration regularly in case Discord or X changes any API or permission requirements.